Hey, this is G or GEV07, whatever you want to call me, and I am doing a tour for the Windows XP Basics, if you still like the way how Windows XP works. If you don't, well, everything's going fine for me right now, even though it's after April 8th, so we're still okay, and if you can't hear this so good, just turn up your speakers all the way, because I'm actually holding, because there's no noises, because I have no speakers, so the only way you might hear this is, yeah. So,
Safe and easy personal computing. Thanks to Windows XP.
So skip intro.
To begin the tour, click any selection.
So if you can't hear, just turn up your volume all the way. So
friendly new screens, simplified menus, and a whole lot more. Discover Windows XP's the Windows desktop. Using Windows XP is simple. First, you'll see the large colored area on the screen called the desktop, and the narrow band at the bottom called the taskbar. Everything you can do on your computer appears inside frames that are called windows. You can open as many windows at one time as you like, and resize them, move them around, or restack them in any order. Icons. The small pictures you see on the desktop are called icons. Think of them as doorways to the files and programs stored on your computer. Place your mouse over an icon. Text appears identifying its name or contents. To open the file or program, double-click the icon. Shortcut icons, identified by the small arrow on the lower left, let you access programs, files, folders, disk drives, web pages, printers, even other computers. And because desktop shortcuts simply supply links to those files or devices, you can add and delete their icons without affecting the actual programs or files. The first time you start Windows XP, you'll see only one icon, the recycle bin, where you can send files you wish to delete from your computer. Taskbar. Every time you open a window, a button representing it appears on the taskbar, and it disappears when you close a window. The taskbar also contains the Start button and Notification area, where you'll see the clock. Other buttons can appear temporarily, showing the status of ongoing activities. For instance, the Printer button appears when you send a file to the printer and disappears when printing is complete. You'll also be reminded here when new Windows updates are available to download from the Microsoft website. Windows XP keeps the taskbar tidy by consolidating buttons when too many accumulate. For example, buttons representing individual emails are automatically grouped under a single email button. Clicking the button lets you select an email from a convenient menu. Start menu. The Start menu appeared automatically the first time you ran Windows XP. You can return to the Start menu anytime by clicking the Start button on the taskbar. The Start menu contains everything you need to begin using Windows. You can start programs, open files, customize your system, get help, search for items on your computer, and more. Some commands on the Start menu have a right-facing arrow. That means additional choices are available on a secondary menu. Place your pointer over an item with an arrow, and another menu appears. The left side of the Start menu updates with links to the programs you use most frequently. At the top left are fixed items, shortcuts to things like your internet browser and email program. Files and folders.
So this will be the end of this video. And if you still like the way Windows XP was when you run Windows XP, be sure to download it at the Microsoft website. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later. Goodbye. subscribe, leave a comment.